The Safego H11 Halogen headlight bulbs are a reliable and affordable solution for upgrading or replacing car headlights. These 55-watt bulbs offer a bright xenon white light that enhances visibility while driving, particularly during nighttime or poor weather conditions. Operating at 12 volts, they are compatible with most vehicles, making installation simple and hassle-free. One of the standout features of these bulbs is their balance between brightness and longevity. The light output is significantly brighter than standard halogen bulbs, improving road visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. Additionally, the 1-year warranty provided by Safego adds peace of mind, ensuring you are covered in case of any issues. This set of 2 bulbs is a practical choice for anyone seeking improved performance and durability. They offer an excellent value for their price, delivering quality illumination and safety. Whether you're replacing old dim bulbs or looking for a cost-effective enhancement,